We all want to be more sustainable when renovating. There are a couple of things that you can do to make sure you're reaching your sustainable goals. All right, let's do this. Sustainability should always be on the forefront of your mind when renovating or building. It has a direct correlation with the overall performance and running costs of your home. Building sustainably is always more expensive in the short term in terms of project cost, but in the long run, less wastage and a high-performing home means more money in your pocket in the long term. Some key items to keep in mind when trying to build sustainably is the overall performance of the home. Make sure the insulation is top priority and also the orientation of the home, making sure that you're harnessing your natural light. Number one tip for a sustainable home is airflow and natural light. Less reliance on your heating and cooling means lower bills and also kinder to the environment. Key ways builders can minimise building waste is be more stringent on your material takeoffs. There's no use throwing away excess materials. Be tight and really calculate what you need on site and when you need it. Now, if you are halfway through your renovation project and sustainability comes to mind, there are some options that you can put in place, but it always is more beneficial to implement them from the get-go. If building a sustainable home is at the top of your priority list, it's always best to engage a passive home builder. It's a specialist industry that's rapidly changing, so engaging the right builder makes sure that you get the desired end result.